Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Today I wanted to try a rainbow pour. I saw Fiona from Fiona Art do it on her channel, and I wanted to combine it with me trying out some paints I got from IKEA. They are these bright neon colors in bottles. They come 6 different colors. These are the other two. I made some white. This is a pearl white with a little bit of titanium white in it. So I'm gonna just try what she did. She made some circles and she didn't like it, but I actually did. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do it. So I think it might be fun to wreck it a little bit. So I'm just gonna pull some things in. Okay. So I've got a napkin here. And I'm just gonna spray it with some water. I've got some water in a bottle. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's touching everywhere. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm still trying to get this pull technique. So I can do, try and get it to the center. And up we go. Ooh. That's a mess. I think my napkin looks nicer than my paint on my canvas. So let's see. Let's just torch it a bit, see what happens. Yeah, I think the paints are too thick to just use them straight out of the bottle. And my white probably is still too thick as well. But you know, that's why we try. You never know what happens. It could be really pretty, could be awful. And it could be that in 10 minutes time it grows cells and looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna put you on pause, spread my black, and see what happens in just a couple of minutes. So as you can see, it's still not moving. So there's a lot of paint in the middle, so I'm thinking about doing a balloon smash in the middle. Let's see if it changes anything. Nope, just make it all black. So yeah, I think this is a fail. I don't like it at all. The paints are too thick for this technique, and well, at least we now know. So see you in the next one, and hopefully that will be a winner. Bye!